How to get Widgetsmith on home screen. Getting a Widgetsmith widget on home screen is very simple. First, you have to make sure you've downloaded the Widgetsmith app from your Play Store or your App Store respectively. Once you've done that, just locate the empty space on your home screen and then just go to the add widget section by tapping the add widget and searching for Widgetsmith right here. Now here you can choose the type of widget you want, medium or large. In this case, let's say I want medium. I'll simply go ahead and drag this to a part where I want to. Now to add a widget inside this place, I can just long press on it, then I can tap on edit widget. Then I can choose the widget size from small to whatever else it is right here. Now once I've done that, next up what I can also do is I can choose a photo for the widget. So I can tap on the please choose a photo option, tap on configure a photo widget, and here I can simply choose to basically go ahead and then add a photo to this widget right here by tapping on the all photos section. Just allow the access, and once done you will be able to go ahead and then add a Widgetsmith widget as well by tapping on it, and then you will be able to see I can tap the save button, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then choose a photo for my Widgetsmith. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.